Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Wallet on Android. All right, let's begin. First, open the Google Wallet app. If this is your first time, you may be asked to select your Google account or enable NFC. To add a payment card, tap the Add Card button. You can either scan your card or enter details manually. Enter your billing address and phone number, then agree to the terms and conditions. Next, verify your card. A code will be sent to your registered bank number. Enter the code, and your card will be ready. You'll be asked if you want Google Wallet as your default payment app. Tap Replace to confirm. Now, back on the main screen, you can tap your card to view details, check your transaction history, and even rename the card. To add more cards, tap the plus icon. You can add debit, credit, transport, loyalty, or gift cards. For example, to add a loyalty card, search for your store, scan the barcode, and it will be saved in the app. Google Wallet also supports boarding passes and securely stores travel tickets. When you're ready to pay, unlock your phone and tap it on any contactless terminal. If Google Wallet is your default, you won't need to open the app. After payment, you'll receive a notification with transaction details. So that's basically how you can use Google Wallet on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.